If you're looking for an easy, classic breakfast burrito recipe, I have just the one for you. Trust me, under 10 minutes, you can serve the whole family, whether it's Sunday or at a baseball game. You can even take them with you. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to cooking. First, we're going to start with the vegetables. Now, you can really put in anything when it comes to these breakfast burritos. I'm just using a yellow onion that's pre-diced from the grocery store, as well as a tri-pepper mix, which is just essentially 3 different types of peppers here. The only seasonings I put on these vegetables is our SPG from Blackstone, or just salt and pepper, and garlic powder would work perfectly. I'm going to tell you a trick with these breakfast burritos. I love these for if maybe you're going on the boat in the summertime and you need to figure out something to bring breakfast-wise to make ahead of time. This is it. Baseball games, tailgating. This is such a great hack. Just get already cooked turkey, ground turkey that is. I'm gonna put the whole thing here on my griddle top. I'm gonna add just a dash of my olive oil and just a dash of water here. And really all we're doing, since it's already cooked, is heating it and browning it just a tad. We just need a couple more minutes on these and then we'll be right back. I'm going to mix the meat and the peppers and onions together, looking beautiful, nice and crispy, exactly how we want it. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and cook those eggs. I'm using about 4 eggs today with a little bit of that SPG on top. Again, you can just use salt and pepper if you want to, a little bit of garlic powder. Get that cooked to your liking. Then we're gonna pull everything off. Now is the fun part. This is where we build the burrito, and I'm gonna show you just how to do it. I'm using extra large burritos, flour tortillas today, but if you want to and you want something smaller, you can use a taco size for a much smaller burrito. That always works great. So first things first, I'm gonna put down my cheese. I'm using Colby Jack. You can use pepper jack, really whatever you want here. So I'm just gonna add a layer right to the middle. Now, as I'm building, you will see that I'm going to be building everything closest to me so that I'm able to roll that. I'm gonna put a little bit of my egg right on top. Everything smells so good. There's my egg. And I'm going to add my mixture here. This is where all that flavoring is. Probably just go ahead and do this here. Smells like breakfast. The great part about it is I didn't even have to cook that turkey sausage. Okay, so as I'm building, you'll see I move everything closest to me. And here's the part, if you wanted to add a little bit of extra cheese, you could. Just a tip, it's always easier to build when you add just enough cheese on top to keep it closed here. All right, so we're gonna fold in and roll, and we're gonna do that a couple more times with however many burritos you wanna make. And there is our first one. And then we're gonna keep on rolling. I love these because you can prep them ahead of time. Great for going on the boat. That's what we do. We take these on the boat with us, or you can simply take them to a baseball game, or even tailgating works perfectly. You can freeze them ahead of time and make a bunch to meal prep. Whatever you want to do, these are delicious and so easy to make. Now it's time to take them over to the griddle. Basically what you're doing is you're just giving them a little bit of a toasty crunch on the outside. My advice to you though, make sure you are putting it seam side down first before you flip over. Once those are cooked, we're gonna pull them off and we're gonna cut them in half. And then if you want, you can add a little bit of hot sauce on top, and then you can garnish it with green onions because it's beautiful and it tastes delicious. Looking delicious. I think I'm gonna choose this one right here. It's really calling my name. Put a little bit of green onions on it. And I'm a hot sauce girl, so I'm gonna put some hot sauce on that. My mouth is salivating. Here we go. It could not be easier. And you can make so many of them. The flavors are unreal. And I didn't even have to cook the meat from raw to finished. It was already pre-cooked for me. I gotta say, this is probably my favorite burrito, breakfast burrito I make, and I make a lot of them. So, so good. Under 10 minutes, you can do this from the comfort of your home, or you can eat it at the baseball field, wherever your little heart desires, but trust me, you're gonna love it. You gotta keep it quick, you gotta keep it simple, and you gotta keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I'll see you on the next episode. Cheers. Mm. Mm. Mm.